Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. So how are you all? Just wanted to share with you my new crochet project, this round tablecloth. I have just completed it. So please let me know whether you like that pattern. Is it alright? Is the design okay? And that reminds me, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha? Those who have subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. As you know, I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Many videos are already there on my channel. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, and you are getting all videos with written instructions and like how to make curtain holders and all new and many new designs are also there. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and plus I'm coming up with many new videos. Many crochet keychain videos are there, tutorial videos, crochet curtain holders, and like crochet amigurumi toys, and many things are there. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, and please like, comment and share. Thank you.